So Yu Yan Chang sent us their premium mooncake gift set and challenged us to recreate their mooncakes. Now, let's give them a try. Look at the amount of bird nest inside. Oh wow. I never thought of putting bird nest inside a mooncake before. I got it. Now let's try to recreate it from scratch. That was really exhausting, but I'm quite happy about how it turned out. Look at that. Okay, now I gotta try it. We made 2 flavors, one red date, one Mandarin peel. That's actually really good. But I still think it's not worth it to make it from scratch. It's too much effort. Just go and buy. Just go and buy. Don't make from scratch, please.